Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to change group name on Discord. So if you have a group and it has its default name but you want to categorize it, then in this video I'll show you how it could be possible. So first you just have to make sure you have the Discord app, then simply open it up. Once you open the Discord app, then you have to go to the chat section. You can just simply click onto that purple icon on the top left and you will get into the chat. Then simply open the group of which you would like to change the name. Simply tap onto that name or its icon and it will open. Then you have to click onto its name on the top, or you can see the tab that is on top. You have to click onto it. By default, it makes the name based on what members you add. Then you have to click onto the settings icon from the top right. Once you click onto it, settings will open. Then you have to click on customize group option. And after that, you will get this page. Now you can click onto the group name and you can change it to anything, whatever you would like to. You can name that as your group name, and then you have to click on save changes. After that, the group name will be changed to what you have set it. So that's how you can change group name in Discord. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.